Hi, this is Raquel Hinman with Hinman Financial Planning, and we offer financial planning and investment advisory services to clients, both virtually and in person, out of our offices in Erie, Colorado. One of the questions that we get asked by prospective clients are, what are the areas that we cover when we do financial planning for people? And I thought this might be a good opportunity to talk about that a little bit. First off, when we do financial planning for people, we're almost always doing a set of projections. And those projections can include your goals and values. So it might be retirement planning, college planning. It might be we want to buy a vacation home and can we afford to do that, or a rental property, some of those types of things. Other areas that we cover when we do financial planning for people is we look at your investments. So we'll do a risk tolerance survey. We look at your current asset allocation versus maybe the projected what's best for you allocation and suggest some recommendations. We also cover things like risk management. And when we say risk management, a lot of that is insurance. So we'll cover your life insurance, your disability insurance, long-term care insurance. We may even talk about your property and casualty and your health insurance too. Part of risk management is also talking about emergency fund. Do you have sufficient reserves to cover you in case of an emergency? So all of that is part of risk management. Tax planning is another important area for a lot of clients. So when we're doing tax planning, we're looking at your tax brackets now and ways to minimize your taxes currently. But then we're also looking at the future and saying, well, what are the things that you can do now that might help you be in a lower tax bracket later on? And that can be really important also. We do estate planning and legacy planning for people. So help to ensure that your estate and your net worth and your finances are taken care of in case something were to happen to either you or your partner, so that transition is as easy as it can possibly be on your loved ones. And sometimes as part of estate planning, then we're also looking at charitable planning. So if you want to leave money to charities either during your life or at death, then we can talk about how best do we help you with that and cover that for you. And then finally, one area that we sometimes cover and sometimes don't cover, it really depends on the client, is cash flow planning. So I always tell my clients that I don't like to break what's not broken, but if for some reason your cash flow system really isn't working for you, or you don't feel comfortable, or you don't feel like it's a good system, then we'll go into your cash flow and we'll talk about that too. So those are some of the major areas that we cover for people. There's all sorts of other topics too, but really when we're doing financial planning, we're covering all the areas of your financial life. And if you'd like to learn more, then please feel free to go to my website at www.hinmanfp.com, and you can schedule a 30-minute free initial consultation call. Thanks.